Hello friends, welcome to Vidya's cooking channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how I prepared the sweet ragi dosa. This is very healthy and nutritious. We prepare this here in South, especially for kids. So let's look into the recipe. Here I measured 1/2 cup of urad dal in a coffee mug, small coffee mug. I've washed it thrice and I've soaked it for 1 hour. It's exactly the same recipe that I prepared last time, the ragi chila, the spicy version. So once the urad dal has soaked well, I drained it and I've reserved it in a sieve. I'm using thick poha, the same measure, coffee mug, 1/2 cup of it. I washed it thrice, this thick poha, and soaked it for an hour's time. Now after an hour's time, in a mixie jar, I'll be adding this urad dal and I'll grind it to a coarse paste. We need to add water to grind the urad dal. So I'll be using the poha water itself or the avlaki water itself to grind it into a smooth paste. Here you can see the batter is ready. I did add 1/4 cup of water to grind the batter. Now I'll be measuring 1.5 cups of the same coffee mug ragi flour. I'll be adding it to the batter along with salt and I'll create a thick batter because once we dilute the batter it will become very runny, so we need to prepare it into a thick batter. Only when you're preparing dosa you need to dilute the batter. Here I'm melting the jaggery. It's about 150 grams of jaggery in a 1/4 cup of water. I'll be straining the jaggery once it has melted because we need to remove all the dust from it. Next I'll be adding about 2 tablespoons of grated coconut to the jaggery mixture along with the thick ragi batter. Then we will nicely mix it to a dosa batter consistency. Here I am using a non-stick tawa, but if you are preparing this in a iron tawa, you need to add little bit of atta to this or the whole wheat flour while you are preparing dosas because it will not stick. So here I am prepared one dosa. I have spread out one dosa, added oil. You can also use ghee. Fry it to both sides till it's golden brown in color and serve it hot. Hope you all enjoyed watching this video, friends. I'll post all the ingredients and a detailed recipe in the description box below this video. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe to my channel. I'll be posting more videos on a regular basis. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.